Hello, Customer Success Universe. My name is Deidre Williams, and welcome back to my series, Star Trek, boldly going where few customer success leaders have gone before, but where more should in 2025. In this series, we explore how the legendary crew of the Starship Enterprise embodies the prime directives of customer success and the customer journey. If you've missed previous episodes, be sure to subscribe to my newsletter and stay on course with this intergalactic journey. Today, we're teleporting into Star Trek V, The Final Frontier, and what it teaches us about escaping false promises and finding true customer value. The Final Frontier. In customer success, it's not just about accelerating customer time to value through onboarding, driving revenue growth by reducing churn and driving expansion. It's something deeper, building and maintaining customer trust. Beam us up, Scotty. Sometimes a customer buys into a bold vision. They're promised warp speed, innovation, transformation. But once the implementation starts, reality hits. Gaps emerge, features are missing. And guess who they're beaming in to fix it? Customer success. As Captain Kirk would say, risk is our business, and managing expectation gaps is one of the riskiest and most critical parts of our mission. So, what does customer success do for a successful mission? We assemble the crew. Like any Starfleet mission, it takes a full crew to navigate product misalignment and restore our customers' trust. But our customer success go to market team has phasers locked and is ready for the journey. First, we have Kirk, our CS leader. He leads with confidence, owns the moment, and realigns the mission. And then there's Spock, our data scientist. He uses data and logic to bring clarity to emotional escalations. And then Uhura, our marketing and communications officer, uses key marketing communications strategies to keep customers informed, engaged, and most importantly, heard. And then there's Bones, support and advocacy, diagnosing customer pain points and prescribes product solutions that achieve true customer value. And then, of course, there's Scotty, representing our sales alignment, who resets expectation, builds bridges to those relationships that are necessary, and says, I can get your results, Captain, but I need time. And then there's Chekov, onboarding, representing where we can revisit our original setup for our customers and reestablish trust and steadying the progress. And then there's Sulu. As far as product is concerned, he's the ultimate helmsman. He steers the roadmap feedback to product, keeping the customer's voice front and center. And of course, what we always want to think about is customer success leadership, how we want to boldly rebuild trust. Here are 3 customer success tips straight from the enterprise playbook. First off, in our playbook is our reality check. Give customer success teams as leadership a plan for managing misaligned expectations, clear steps, templates, and internal allies. And then also set value milestones. And this allows us to anchor the journey in outcomes and make progress visible, not just promises. Also, use data to drive alignment. Companies that address expectation gaps proactively see 33% higher NRR, according to Gainsight. So remember, product gaps don't kill deals, silence and confusion do. So when a customer says, this isn't what we expected, don't panic and definitely don't disengage. As a crew, customer success, you can reset the course. And all customer success leaders, what we need to do is turn illusions into action. And as Kirk says, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. So live long, deliver value, and boldly go where few customer success leaders have gone before, but where more should in 2025. And thank you.